This is the Braun 9370 Series 9 shaver. It is a waterproof wet-dry shaver. It has a definite premium look to it, a premium feel. This is a close-up of what the Braun Series 9 looks like sitting in its charging and cleaning cradle. Synchrosonic technology with 40,000 cutting actions a minute. That's a lot of cutting actions. 4+1 Pro head, 4 shaving elements, 1 skin guard, 2 specialized trimmers, beard density adjustment, advanced 32-bit processor. This thing has more computer processing capabilities than my first computer. 10 directional skin adaptation, titanium coated trimmer, lithium ion power, 60-minute shaving, 5-minute quick charge, 2-year worldwide warranty. This is how it charges. You've got a couple of little charging dots on the back. You just stick it in the back, put it into place, and it will automatically clean and charge itself. The cleaning cartridge goes in there like so. Once you've taken these flaps off, I'm not going to do that right now. I don't want to spill any of the liquid. There's a little place where you put the power supply on the side over here, and then when you put the razor into the cradle, it will clean and charge itself. As you can see, the razor fits in the travel case. Zip it closed. It's easy to take with you. On the back of the shaver, you've got a pop-up trimmer. All of the shaving heads move up and down so that they can contour to your face. You have this sliding button on the front. If it is in the down position, the head is more or less fixed. You raise it to the top position and the head floats. You can easily use it with both your right and your left hand. I can actually feel that it's moving around the contours of my head better than a fixed position head. Very nice right around my ears. I have hairs that grow in very close there. That's very, very close. You know, this is the closest and most comfortable shave that I've gotten from a Braun razor yet. Definitely a premium experience.